Let's take a look at problem number 7. First, I'm going to identify the signs of the two numbers that are being subtracted. So I have a positive number, and the sign of this number is negative. So I'm taking a positive number and I'm subtracting a negative number, so a negative 7. So now I'm going to use my tool to help me changing the subtraction to addition. I'm going to record keep and a box around the first number because you do not change the first number. Leave that first number a positive 1, leave it alone. And then keep change, change. I'm going to make 2 changes. I'm going to add the opposite. So instead of the operation being subtraction, we're going to change that to addition. And then instead of this being a negative number, we're going to change this to a positive number. So we made 2 changes. We added the opposite. So 1 minus a negative 7 becomes 1 plus a positive 7. Now, normally we don't write the sign of a number if it's a positive, so it's more normal to write this as 1 plus 7. The other thing I want to talk about with you is the fact that, on the EOG, they might record this differently. They might put parentheses around that negative 7. They might also put parentheses around the 1. They might also write it like this, where they write 1 minus, and then the symbol for the negative will be tiny and at the top. So there's lots of different ways this problem could look, so don't be fooled if it looks slightly different when you get to the EOG or get to a different worksheet. So now we're going to go ahead and take 1 and add 7. So I'm going to record 1 plus 7, and then I'm actually this time going to move to the typing tool to show you that you could also just type these. I'm going to make this a little bit larger. So you could just type, okay, an addition sign to represent your yellow chip. And then we need 7 of those down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then if you have 7 yellow integer chips and 1 yellow integer chip, then your answer is going to be 8 yellow integer chips. And then I can also mark this on the number line. So X marks the start. So I start at 1, and then I have to go up 7. Now I'm already seeing that I'm going to need a little bit more space, so I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to extend my number line. And then I'm going to add a few numbers up here. So how about 6, 7, 8, I don't think I can fit 9, so hopefully I won't need to get to 9. So now I'm going to go ahead and move upwards 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That worked out perfectly. And the answer is positive 8. So now I'm going to go ahead and type in the answer is a positive 8.